Welcome to a series of 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. In this episode, we're making a deeply flavorful and comforting dish, braised pork belly in soy sauce. The pork belly is incredibly delicious and juicy. Is it possible to make it in just 30 minutes? Let's find out. Here we have some pork belly, and we're going to use the fork to pierce all over the pork belly. This helps to cook faster and absorb more flavor. To make the braising liquid, combine the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Shaoxing wine. You can replace it with other types of cooking wine or opt it out if you can consume alcohol, sugar, and water. In a pan over high heat, place the pork belly pieces in the dry pan. No oil is needed, as they will release their own fat. Pan fry them until they have a beautiful golden edges on both sides, about 2 minutes per side. Add the ginger, scallions, cinnamon, star anise, and bay leaves. Over medium heat, pour the braising liquid into the pan. Cover the pan with a lid and braise for about 20 minutes until completely cooked through. Ensure the internal temperature of the pork is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Uncover the pan, increase the heat to high, and reduce the sauce for about 3 minutes. And we're going to continue to pour the sauce over the pork belly during this time. And that's it, our 30 minutes braised pork belly in soy sauce. It's tender, flavorful, and so satisfying. My family loves it. We also pair it with steamed rice and garlicky broccoli. Visit here for the broccoli recipe. If you enjoy pork belly, this is a recipe that you must try. It is so delicious. So please comment below and share with me what is your favorite way to cook pork belly. If you'd like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box and subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes easy to follow, super tasty Asian recipes. I'll see you again in the next episode. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!